so it doesn't shrink and crack, and hopefully it should easily come off the plate. But yeah, very good quality, no flaws that I can see. Printing ABS, this is JO ABS filament, and to be honest it works really well in my Bambu P1S. Changing the filament to generic ABS, and then changing my preloaded ABS file in Bambu Studio. There's nothing really been changed on this apart from inner and outer brim, and set object gap to 0. It's very important to set an inner and outer brim as seen, as it helps stop the print from lifting or warping, because ABS can be very prone to warping and lifting and even cracking. And just to be on the safe side, I select bed leveling. ABS is selected, as you can see, and then I just send it to the printer. Laying the base down for the GoPro mount with ABS. This machine prints ABS excellently. So far so good, printing ABS absolutely perfectly. What a massive difference these LED lights make to printing. You can actually see what is printing now instead of having to shine a torch into the printer. Successfully finished printing the GoPro mount in ABS. One thing very important is let it cool naturally, because otherwise it can warp, crack. So just let it cool naturally now until it's cool before I take it off the plate. Otherwise it can distort and crack and even warp. It should be cool now. It's been left for about 30 minutes so it doesn't shrink and crack, and hopefully it should easily come off the plate. I'll clean that in a second. But yeah, very good quality, no flaws that I can see. A couple of supports for there. But yeah, that's how I print ABS. So far, so good. One mount for the GoPro with a coal shoe that I fitted on top. Printed in ABS on Bambu's P1S. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and consider subscribing.